It's from Malaysia, right? And Malaysians use this in everything. And I think we should, us Pinoys, we should borrow this and put it in our barbecue. Barbecue, this, lemongrass, garlic. Then this has, earlier I was listening to your answers when you were making the humba and you were saying that, oh, one lady said she used palm sugar, most guys, sugar. This has a very deep caramel sweetness to it. So use this if you want to sweeten your adobo or your barbecue. If not, brown sugar, jaggery sugar, palm sugar, muscovado sugar if you have it, or sugar syrup. I think it's better than using white sugar. Now, dagdagan natin ng... Okay, since na medyo manamis-namis na to, pitikan ko siya ng patis. Also, when you choose the brand of fish sauce, do your research as well and experiment on other brands, not just our brand. The other brands are actually very good as well. It has a... You know, yung fish sauce, it's interesting because marami rin siyang flavor profile eh. So, actually, laking bagay pag mas meticuloso tayo sa mga ingredients. So, si Fred Gawgaw, basically cornstarch and water para pagpalapot. Then, hulog ko na yung carrots. I-hide siya. Tapos clear na tayo that time. Pepper. Okay na? Beans. So ginawa namin kanina, since we had time, ngayon hindi ko na lang siya i-demo. Yung gulay, carrots, cabbage, yung pechay, we sauteed it. We cooked it on a separate pan. Then, tinimplahan lang namin ng patis at kalamansi. Para mamaya, pag nag-serve tayo, fresh pa siya. Makulay pa siya. So, versus na kung depende naman sa okasyon. Pwede mo naman ilagay lang dito lahat at kain na. Pero kung minsan, pag gusto mo na makulay yung dish natin, then, wala naman tayong binagong recipe eh. Yung technique lang. Hiniwalay lang natin yung dito ako tatayo para hindi ako bangga sa'yo. Hiniwalay lang natin yung procedure. Mamaya, makita nyo yan. So kasi, they always say that, or we're always apologizing that our food is, like example, when we present our adobo, we're always saying, oh, pasensya na, oh, so sorry that it's brown. We are brown. So what? Then play with different color tones or color notes, meaning like there are so many different shades of brown. There's dark brown, there's light brown. Sorry. So yun, I guess example sa adobo, roasted kanina, may nakita akong roasted garlic. Basta, wag tayong mahiya. Kanina nag-explain kayo, nahihiya kayo. Wag! Maganda, pag lumalaba, it reflects, nagre-reflect siya sa luto natin pag nahiya tayo. Kaya minsan pag nakainom, mas iba yung lasa, di ba? Kasi hindi tayo nahihiya. So I guess, ganun rin sa pagluluto. Ang sarap ng pagkain natin. Tingnan yung mamaya yung ginawa nito, yung dalawa. Ang sarap talaga. You guys will be very proud. Alright, are you ready? Okay, let's make space because we will need that space to... Okay, this may somehow look, simple. But later, we will build it up. Now, let us... Eto pala. So, dito na lang ako para makabuelo kayo dyan. So this is, can you see it? Yeah, okay. This is eggs that we flavored with. This is ginger, spring onions, ghee, dried shrimp, and grated coconut. So, parang oil-based siya. And then, we flavor the egg with this. And then, di ba when you eat pancit canton, may itlog. And normally, it's either hard-boiled egg or just scrambled eggs. And we said, why not? Let's just, be experimental. Total, you can, walking around Lulu is like a playground for me. You're just, everything, it's completo. It's all there, everything that you need. So earlier also, the Indian chefs at the back were cooking something using grated coconut, and I said, oh, can I have some? And I put it in the eggs. So we can, especially here in Saudi, there's so many cultures here. When we go to a park, we always have to have an open mind and ask questions and sort of like act like, ano yung saying, get inspiration, kumbaga. Get inspiration from other cultures, especially their techniques, and then apply it to our cuisine. Pero still, our Filipino pa rin yung lasa, di ba? So kanina, yun lang yung ginawa ko. I was just sort of like just mirroring what they were doing, and then here it is. So our crispy pancit canton. So the egg noodles, anong brand na ulit ng noodles ginamit natin?
Coffee.
Which brand again? Do you remember? Basta it's aisle number something where all the egg noodles are.
Hobby ba?
Afta. May gloves ka.
Sino kaya?
Afta, and then boiled, and then fried. Yun lang. So, yung sauce natin sa likod. And then yung tasting natin sa likod. May... Okay. Sige. Yan, ganun. So, magpa-plate na ako. So, this